If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring you more useful content. How to use YouTube TV on Roku. Are you ready to stream live TV through YouTube TV on your Roku device? With access to an array of channels and on-demand content, it's a perfect option for cord cutters. Let's walk you through the simple steps to set it up and start watching in no time. First, ensure your Roku device is connected to the internet and your TV. Once that's done, use your Roku remote to navigate to the home screen. Here, scroll through the options and select the Streaming Channels option to open the Roku Channel Store. In the Channel Store, head to the search bar and type YouTube TV. Once it appears, select it from the search results. Next, choose Add Channel to install YouTube TV onto your Roku. The channel will download, and after installation, you'll receive a confirmation notification. Return to the Roku home screen and find YouTube TV among your list of channels. Click on it to open the app. If you're not already a member, now is the time to sign up on their website to start benefiting from their service. If you are, select Sign In and enter your login details. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the interface. YouTube TV offers a user-friendly layout with sections like Home, Library, and Live. Browse through these to find your favorite shows and live events. You can also customize your library by adding programs and creating personal watch lists. To improve your viewing experience, consider adjusting your playback settings. You can change video quality based on your internet speed or turn on closed captions if desired. Explore these options under the Settings menu within the YouTube TV app. And there you have it. YouTube TV on Roku gives you access to a world of entertainment right at your fingertips. Enjoy seamless streaming and discover your favorite channels without hassle.